Welcome back to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and I'm glad you are here to wrap up the market action with me. Today's episode is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals and stock recommendations. Let's get right into it. The big story on social media revolves around a massive rally in the quantum computing sector. Inflection, D-Wave Quantum, and Rigetti Computing all saw their shares surge significantly today. This move was triggered by reports that the administration is planning to award roughly $2 billion in grants to 9 firms in the sector, with the government potentially taking minority equity stakes in these companies. IBM also caught a tailwind, moving higher on expectations that it will secure significant funding allocations under the CHIPS and Science Act for its quantum chip foundry work. Looking at the broader markets, we saw a modest recovery today. The S&P 500, the Dow, and the Nasdaq all managed to climb, erasing early losses. The primary catalyst was a notable drop in oil prices, fueled by renewed optimism surrounding potential progress in U.S.-Iran negotiations. When oil prices fall, it eases inflation concerns, which in turn helps calm the bond market and encourages risk appetite in equities. While volatility remains a theme, investors are clearly rotating into sectors that benefit from lower energy costs and stable infrastructure demand. In the AI economy, the landscape remains as busy as ever. While there was chatter about a potential executive order regarding AI model safety, the signing was reportedly postponed, which kept some of the regulatory anxiety at bay. Meanwhile, Microsoft and EY announced a massive $1 billion joint initiative to scale enterprise AI, focusing on deploying agentic AI solutions for their clients. It is clear that the focus is shifting rapidly from experimental AI to tangible, enterprise-wide implementation. Moving to stocks in focus, Applied Digital saw a sharp move higher today after announcing a 15-year, multi-billion-dollar lease agreement for its AI infrastructure campus. Additionally, NBIS shares advanced after the company disclosed a major fuel cell capacity agreement with Bloom Energy to power its AI operations. These deals highlight the massive ongoing demand for the physical infrastructure required to support the AI boom. In the earnings spotlight, we had a heavy day of reports. Walmart shares slipped despite strong revenue growth, as investors reacted to slightly cautious profit guidance and concerns about fuel costs weighing on operating margins. Deere & Company also faced pressure following its latest update. On the other hand, Williams-Sonoma saw a strong gain after reporting its results. Meanwhile, after the closing bell, we saw reactions from companies like ROST Stores, Take-Two, Workday, Copart, and Zoom, all of which are being parsed by analysts for clues on consumer spending and enterprise software demand. To summarize today, we saw a quantum leap in the markets driven by potential government funding, a relief rally in the major indexes tied to falling oil prices, and continued momentum in the AI infrastructure space. Thanks for tuning in to Finpod. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if there is a specific stock or sector you want me to cover next time. And remember, for stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai. See you tomorrow.